2023 Nissan Titan. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.